Good morning, children. Today's date is 3rd of August and the year is 2021. Today's day is Tuesday and in our phonics class we'll be learning a new sound. We'll be learning the sound of letter C. Children, the letter that you see on the screen, yes, is alphabet C. That's the name of the letter. The name of this letter is C. Now coming to the sound. The sound of this letter is K. Okay, the sound has to come from inside here. It is K. Yes. And this is your lowercase letter C. Yes. So just the writing pattern changes, but the name of the letter and the sound of the letter remains the same. Yes. So again, the name of this letter is C. Yes, this is the lowercase letter C. And the sound of this letter is K. Yes. So sound of both these letters is the same. It is K. So this is the capital letter K and this is lowercase letter K. Let's have a look at few pictures, yes, of images that begin with the sound K, as in car, K-A-R, car, cap, K-A-P, cap. We have cup, K-A-P, cup. Then we have cake, K-A-K, cake. Yes, so here are some pictures that begin with the sound K. Car, K, cap, K, cup, K, cake. We also have K, cookie. Yes, you love eating cookies. K, cookie. K, can. K, a, n, can. Yes, this is a can. Then we have, what is she doing? With the help of scissors, she is cutting. Yes, K, a, t, cut. Now this is a coat. Yes, a raincoat, a winter coat. This is a coat. So here again we have few pictures that begin with the sound K. Cookie, can, cut, coat. Let's learn the sound of this letter. Now can you tell me what's the sound? The sound, not the name. The name of the letter is C, but what's the sound? The sound of this letter is K. K. This is the lowercase letter K. This is the uppercase letter K. Coming to the homework sheet, I would like you to take a printout of this sheet or copy this sheet in your literacy notebook. So you're going to get your notebooks today. Yes, so you can go and collect it from the school and then you can complete this work. Or else if you're taking a printout, then you can do it in the printout and then staple it or stick it in your literacy notebook. Yes, so now coming to the sheet. Now, which letter is this? Yes, the letter is C. And what's the sound of this letter? The sound of this letter is K. Okay. So now in this letter you can see inside there are so many pictures. So now you have to recognize each picture and name it and see if they begin with the sound K. And if they begin with the sound K, you color it. And if they do not begin with the sound K, you just leave it like that. Okay, so let's start from here. What's this? It's a picture of a car. Now the word car, does it begin with the sound K? Yes, it does. K-R, car. So you can color the picture of the car. Now this is a stable. Yes. Now the word stable, does it begin with the sound k? No, it does not. It begins with the sound s. So we do not color the picture. The next one is a picture of a cookie. Now the word cookie, does it begin with the sound k? Yes, it does. So you can color this picture of the cookie. The next, who is this? Yes, it's a cat. Now the word cat, does it begin with the sound k? Yes, it does. So you can color the picture of the cat. The next is the picture of an apple. Now the word apple, what's the beginning sound? Apple. Yes, beginning sound is a and not k. So you just leave it like that. Do not color it. The next is the picture of a can. Yes, we just saw a color image. K and can. It does begin with the sound k. Yes, so you can color the picture of the can. The next one is the picture of a crab. Now the word crab, does it begin with the sound k? Crab, crab. Yes, it does. Yes, so you can color the picture. Yes. The next one is the picture of a spider. Now the word spider, does it begin with the sound k? No, it begins with the sound s. Spider. Yes, all of you have made some beautiful craft last week. The spider. All of you made such wonderful spiders. Yes, so this does not begin with the sound k, but it begins with the sound s, spider. So you do not color it. The next picture is of a cake. Yes. Now the word cake, does it begin with the sound k? Yes, it does. So you can color the picture. You can make a nice colorful cake just the way you like it. Yes. So children, you can complete this sheet and submit it by tomorrow. Happy learning.